With ultraviolet curing technology, we often use the medium pressure mercury vapor lamp, which is a very good source of UV energy. You can get nearly a watt of UV intensity at a ½ an inch away from the lamp in many cases, which for curing purposes gives you a very fast cure. The medium pressure mercury vapor lamp, however, uses quite a bit of the spectrum beyond UV. It has some higher energy UV and it has some lower frequencies down into the IR range. The IR component that comes as part of the spectrum out of a medium pressure mercury vapor lamp has a tendency to heat substrates. IR energy is the major component that causes heat in houses with fireplaces, for example. So in order to keep substrates cool, quite often we will use filtering to remove the IR component, leaving just the working UV and visible light as part of the output from a lamp house. We have 3 configurations, the R1, the R2, and the R3, based on removing the IR component or not from the UV. This configuration is the R1. It has no IR filtering in it. It's got a reflector in the back which focuses the light, and the output here contains all the components of the UV and the IR. With a focused light and substrates running underneath it fairly fast, there typically is no heating problem. Or if they want heat as part of the cure, this is the way to go, because it adds the heat from the IR. This configuration is our R2 configuration, with the UV lamp here. Behind the lamp on the reflector there's a dichroic filter, and it's removing half of the IR. It goes back inside and then is removed as heat with the fans inside the unit. So the UV from this is more of a flood, and 50% of the IR is removed, and it's fairly cool. And this is used in most of the applications. This unit here has the reflector here, lamp down inside, and an IR filter here. So all of the energy from the lamp is bounced off of the filter. The IR is removed and the UV comes forward. This removes 95% of the IR, which keeps it very cool. So this is good for substrates that are very heat sensitive.